Have you ever wondered why whenever you start a weight loss journey, it is very difficult to follow through? The reason is simple. Sometimes we jump into weight loss plan without fully understanding what it means to lose weight. Losing weight is not a shy play. Losing weight is not something you jump into without planning yourself. Sometimes we jump into weight loss journey without knowing that it will affect our emotion, our psychology, and it's going to change a lot in our body. So the best way to start a weight loss journey is by detoxifying your system. And how can you detoxify yourself? Detoxifying your system will send a signal to your body that something new is about to happen. Something awesome is about to start in your body. So in this video, I'm giving you a recipe that you can use to detoxify yourself. But please don't take everything once, because you see this recipe, if you take everything once, you can even lose the weight overnight, and it's not good. So when you want to lose weight, you don't want to lose weight in the sense that you will lose the weight and you gain it again. Once you want to lose weight, you should have a plan in your mind that as I'm losing this weight, I'll make sure I stick to this thing. So that's why I don't advise people to lose weight without planning. So if you plan yourself, you look for the right recipe that will suit your weight loss journey and you stick to it. It's something that you need to do for a lifetime. That's why losing weight is not easy. So in this recipe and in this video, what I did was that I have to chop up my cucumber, my beetroot, and also my ginger. Now transfer everything to the blender and I'll blend it smoothly to form a paste. Guys, this paste, I'm not going to throw it away. I will use the paste in my next video and show you what I did with that paste. So after I was done blending, as I was blending it, before I start blending, I added my lemon. You see lemon, you can go and check the health benefit of all these fruits we are combining to do our detoxification juice. So once I added the lemon, I cover and I blend it to form the paste, and I transfer to my sieve and sieve it out. I use my spoon to press out the remaining residue. So once that is done, I transferred to my cup and I drank it. So I want to tell you my experience from this particular recipe, guys. You see beetroot, you don't need to joke with beetroot. Beetroot is a very nice fruit. When I was pooing, I was just seeing exactly what I drank. I saw everything in my poo. So guys, that's why I'm warning you guys that you should not drink everything. If you don't want to shit out your intestine, if you don't want to pour out your intestine, don't drink everything. So once you are done with it, then you can now start your weight loss journey. And if you are starting it, make sure you stick to a particular plan that will be suitable for you and your schedule. If you are doing 1 meal a day, please don't overeat it. If you are doing counting calories, please make sure you do something that will not affect your system, because too much of everything is bad. And you know your body is new to this weight loss of a thing, so sometimes some persons come up depressed. So if you know you find this video helpful, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and drop a comment and let me know if you're going to try this recipe out, and how did your own turn out to be. What did you think about this recipe? Do let me know in the comment section. I would love to hear from you.